Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change language on a game Eversoul. You have to start by click on 3 lines at the top right, then go to settings and now choose language. So right here on the left we have a language for text and on the right we have a language for voice. Right now it makes just Korean and the second one, sorry, I'm not sure, maybe it's Japanese and English, but maybe in the future they add some new languages. So now click on it, confirm, and now wait. Cool, we change the language for text, and now we should change it for a voice. 3 lines, now settings, language, and for voice, confirm. And we just did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!